Ever notice how thermostats never fail on the hottest day of the year? They always fail on the coldest day of the year? Well, we're going to find out why next.
This video is sponsored by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper. Visit us online for more information.
A thermostat? Well, it's got some old technology in it. What I'm talking about is beeswax and copper. Inside this little area right here is a solution of beeswax that when it gets hot, well, it loosens up and it allows the thermostat to open and the spring to counteract the force inside the beeswax module. When it fails, it typically fails in the open position. This means that during winter, it could take a darn long time for that engine to warm up. What does this mean for the life of the engine? Well, it's having to run richer and richer because it's very cold. And over time, this can cause emissions problems, issues with the oxygen sensors, and also issues with the car never ever warming up for the customer. This has direct impacts also on the engine oil. If the engine oil cannot be properly heated, it cannot reach a point to where it's going to burn off the condensation that's inside of it. So make sure when you get a vehicle in, you talk to that customer to find out, how's the heater doing? If they say, well, it never warms up for me, well, take a look at the thermostat. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.